Sorry, Ashwin, tell me. Hi, how are you, Ashwin?
How are you, Ashwin? Hi, Auntie.
Yeah, ma. Tell me.
Tell me. Yeah, so I had a few doubts in like one homework.
What was that? Tell me. Shall we, do you want to share
Can
screen?
you share screen? I know it's like on paper. No, it was that book one.
Book one, no?
Book one, huh? Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, tell me. So one was problem 8.3.4.
8.3. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, go ahead. 8
Yeah,
point.
go ahead. 8.3.4.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Tell me.
Tell me. So I didn't really understand how to solve it. So I approached it one way, but then it kept on giving me a strange
I
answer.
really like it if
I
you ask.
really like it if you ask,
Hey,
hey, why?
you talk. Let's see.
You talk, let's see. So I tried to solve this with the Pythagoras theorem. So
1 minute. It's my
1
problem.
minute, it's my problem.
Let you mute yourself.
You okay.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
echo?
Do you know? No, Auntie.
You mute yourself.
You mute yourself.
Hello. I don't hear an echo,
I
right?
don't hear an echo, right?
Oh no, it's our problem.
No, it's our problem.
Okay.
Okay.
It's my problem. Hold
It's
on.
my problem.
Stop
Hold
it.
on.
Come
Stop
back.
it. Come back.
You're able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me?
Are you able to hear me? Yes, Auntie.
Hello? Yeah, so much better.
Yeah,
Thank
so much better. Thank you. Yeah, I can hear you now, Auntie.
you. No, I'm
No, I'm
uh, mobile. It's
mobile.
okay. It's okay,
It's
Ashwin.
okay. It's okay, Ashwin. So,
You're able to hear me?
you're able to hear me? Yes, Auntie.
Mm-hmm. You're able
Mm-hmm.
to hear me, but I'm
You're
hearing.
able to hear me, but I'm hearing.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you
Yeah.
speak out now?
Can you speak out now? Yeah, I'm speaking. Can you hear me?
Yes, but I hear a lot of
Yes, but
echoes.
I
It's
hear a
okay.
lot of echoes. It's okay.
Let's
Wait,
see.
echoes from mine or
No,
like
it is my problem.
no, it is my
100%.
problem. 100%. Oh,
Don't worry.
don't worry. Okay.
B upon minus 6.
B upon minus 6. Mm-hmm.
Comma minus 3, right?
Comma minus 3, right? Yeah. And 2 comma minus 3.
2 comma minus 3.
2
2
comma
comma
minus 3.
7.
2 comma 7. Wait.
So is that the distance from the
Is it
point
the distance from the
A to point
A
B?
to point B? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. and then
So the distance
So
from the
the
point
distance
would
from
be
the point would be
okay.
okay.
You have to split it as
You
1
have to
is to
split
4.
it as 1:4.
Correct?
Correct?
okay, yeah.
You got it?
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So, wait.
Oh, wait.
Okay, this is one question. What are the
Okay,
other
this is one
questions you
question.
have?
What are the other questions you have?
The other questions
Mhm.
right now are
I'll discuss this in class
I'll
because
discuss this in class.
everybody needs to know this.
Everybody needs to know this.
oh, the
Mhm.
other questions I had were 8.3.5 and 8.5.7a, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
8.3.5.
8.3 points.
Yeah,
Okay. And then 8 point, what else?
And then 8 point, what else?
and 8.5.7a.
8.5 point?
8.5 point?
8.5.7a.
Okay, let's see. Let's see that in
Okay,
class. I don't know how
let's
to
see that
solve
in
it.
class. I
We'll
don't know
solve
how
it.
to solve. We'll solve.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll
okay.
take all these into account.
I'll take all these into account.
I'm going to restart
I'm
my
going
mission.
to
I cannot
restart my
take
mission.
class
I
with this
cannot
echo.
take class with this echo.
There's a lot of echo at my
There's a lot of echo at my
it's an issue with my
it's
system.
an
I think
issue
I'm
with
going
my
to
system. I
restart. Is
think
that
I'm going
okay?
to restart. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Completely fine. Sorry about that.
No problem.
No. Give
Okay. Ashwin, 8.3.4, I really want to do many problems like that. That is what will be in your geometry. You getting it,
Okay.
Ashwin?
You're getting it, Ashwin?
Mhm.
Let me see. 8.3.4, I want to solve more problems. Make sense? Okay, you're able to hear me well?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now I don't
Okay,
hear the
that's
echo.
good. Now I don't hear the echo.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good questions, Ashwin. Very nice questions brought up. Let's see. Let's solve the same problem here in class. It's important and I want to solve and I want to take it as a topic actually. Mm. Hi guys, how are you all? Nice to see you all after the summer. Did you enjoy Vidyut in India?
Mhm.
That's nice to know. How are you, Ritisha? Good.
I'm good.
Nice. Vishnuram, you're back from vacation, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Johan, I'm seeing you. Okay. Hanish, Ashwik, hi. Let's move on. Okay. Did you? Okay. Ashwin brought up a couple of questions which I think are important to deal with. We'll first deal with that. And then, did you have any questions in the homework? And today will be 1.5 hours class, guys, because you remember July 5th, we cancel class and I intend to finish that up as well. Okay. Now let's go ahead. And another note, right? There's a lot of difference between the class, in the class times. What do you, basically, if it's a 8 to 9 class, it's little extremely difficult for me, Ritisha, and Vidyut. Of all the people, we three will get affected if the class is from 8 to 9. Okay. We will be staying up till 10 o'clock, honestly. Okay. That being the case, it was done with the intention of helping whom? Shyam. He's attending from India. His family went on an emergency for 8 months to India. Okay. So within a short duration, they were notified that they had to go to India and they went and we wanted to help them. That was the intent of changing the class time from 7:30 to 8, even if it caused inconvenience to 3 people. That being the case, we had it like that for the summer. So Shyam is not in here for the class, I know. That's because he didn't know that it was starting early by 30 minutes, right? So he will come in half an hour for sure. He will join. So at the end of the class, before you all leave, let's discuss this and then go. Make sense? Okay. Now let's get going with this fractional distance. I really want you to understand this very well. Okay, this is a part of your real geometry. See, but since one question like that came in your Algebra 1 book, I intend to cover that as a separate topic. Nice, Ashwin, very good job on bringing it up in the class. Okay, let's say I have an underline. This is fractional distance. Indeed, I wanted to cover this, but you asked me before fractional distance. I saw this problem in the homework though. Now, these 2 points. Okay. I would like to cut this line segment. Okay, this is A, this is B. When I go from A to B, I want to cut this line segment in the ratio 1:4. I want to cut this entire line segment in the ratio 1:4. That means what? I'm going to split up this line segment into 5 pieces. This is 1 piece, this is 4 pieces. I'm going to split this line segment into 5 pieces. Wait, let me change it a little bit, okay? Let me change the question a little bit. I don't want to make it hard on you right off. I'm going to have this as my line segment. This is B. 5. Now, I have to split this entire line segment from -5 to 5. The ratio 1:5. 1:4. So totally, I'll be cutting it into 5 pieces. So what can I do about it to cut it into 5 pieces? I will first go to my starting point, right? And then what I'll try to do, I have to cut it into 1:4. From A to B, the ratio would be 1:4. So first, let me find out what is 1/5 of this distance. What is this distance? 5 minus -5. Makes sense? This 5, subtract the starting point. Am I making sense or not? So if I do this, -5 plus 2, I'll end up with a -3. You see? So this is my cutting point. This point cuts this line segment in the ratio 1:4. Why is this ratio 1:4? That means I'm cutting it into 5 equal pieces. Okay, so first I find out what is 1/5. 1/5 of this distance. That 1/5 of that distance, I'm adding it to the starting point. Any questions? Johan, any questions?
No.
Did you already study this in geometry?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. I knew. Okay.
did it
So,
a
yeah, go ahead. What is your question?
I did it a different way.
Yeah, go ahead, Ashwik. How did you do?
So I just did the absolute value of the shortest one and the longest one, and then I just added them and divided that by 4, and then added it to the shortest value.
Sorry. Please explain. I'm a layman, so you explain to me nicely. Go ahead. What is it?
So so it's like I do the absolute value of -5 and 3, which was
-5 and 3. Yeah. Why 3?
like, oh, it's 5, okay, and 5,
Hmm.
and then so then I just added them, which was 10,
Hmm.
and then
You found out 1/5 of that distance?
yeah.
Correct. That's the same thing I'm doing here.
Yeah, and then I just added it to -5.
That's, you added it to -5, right? The starting point. Correct?
Yeah.
Good. Suppose if I want to divide this line segment, the ratio, let's say starting from B to A, I want to divide it in the ratio 1:4. What do I do? What do I do? I will start with my starting point. I add what? From here, it has to be 1:4 means 5 pieces. 1/5 of, I have to find what is the 1/5 point. Starting from here, what is the 1/5 point I have to find? So I know that this distance is, I'll start from my point, wherever I have to start. 5 minus -5. You subtract the distance between the starting and the ending points. So you will get, where? What are you going to get? Plus 1/5 of, let me see, guys. Yeah, so from the, so if this is your starting point, right, then I would go ahead and subtract. Make sense, guys? 5 minus 2. Yep, 3. Make sense, guys? So this is of the ratio 1:4. Any questions? Do you know what? I'm going to make this a different question. What question is that? Let me go back. It's in your book, but this comes only in geometry, but this is good to know since we are discussing midpoint, we are cutting the lines and stuff. So I wanted to do this, okay? A point A is 2,7. B, I made a mistake, guys, I'm sorry. 2,7. This is an important piece. That's why I'm taking the time to go over this multiple times. I will go through more problems too. Now you're going to do after this, okay? First 2 problems I'll do. Point B is minus 6, 3. Is it recording? I just want to make sure it's recording. Yes, okay. So, I'm going to connect these. What point on the line segment connecting A and B? What point on the line segment connecting A and B? There is some point on this line segment such that the distance from the point to B, such that the distance from the point to B is 4 times, such that the distance from this point is 4 times that of this. So I'm splitting it in the ratio what? I'll start from my starting point. I'll always start from the left. That's better. Now, from B when I start, I have to cut it in the ratio 4:1. So anybody can volunteer and tell me how to do this? This is x comma y, x comma y. So for the first x coordinate, let's do that. What do I want to do? Then I'll do the same thing for y coordinate. It's not hard. I'll do one by one, okay? Meaning, when it was just the x coordinate, I did it on the x coordinate. Now this is x coordinate and y coordinate, right? So x coordinate separately I'll do, y coordinate separately I'll do. So can we start with minus 6? What should I do? Plus, what should I do? I'll see what is the fraction. Ratio is different from a fraction, right? You're splitting up in the ratio 4:1. So what is the fraction? 4 out of how many parts? Please tell me, guys.
5.
4 by 5. But what is the distance between these 2 points? X distance between these 2 points. Ending point minus the starting point, right? It is 8. Now what happens? Minus 6 plus 32 by 5 minus 30 plus 32 by 5, which is 2 by 5. Makes sense? Does that make sense? Can you find out the y coordinate and tell me? Can you find out the y coordinate and tell me the value? All of you, please send in chat, guys. You can find the y value, right? Starting point, you're going to take it. And then add 4/5. In this case, it should be 4/5. You're always starting from the lower point. You're going to, but the ratio is 4:1. They wanted a point from A, it is less distance, but it should be 4 times that distance to B. You're able to do, Ma? If you have a question, you have to let me know.
I thought my answer was clear.
Yes, I have it now. I'm looking. Yes, I have 2 answers. Ratisha correct, Johan correct. I think you guys got it. Great. Good to know. I'm not getting Ashwik correct. Vishnu Ram. How did you get that? Do you want to do it on the board?
It says that my chat is disabled.
And no problem, Anish. You go to the chat window, go to the leftmost corner, left top corner. There is a blue button. If you click on that, you can chat with me. I have disabled the main chat. Okay, Vidyut. Vidyut, how did you get it? Can you show me?
Yeah, I think I took some weird way.
That's okay. Can
I think I
expl-
just messed up my calculations. I'll just do it again.
Okay, can I explain to you or do you want to retry?
You can explain it. I think it's just a problem with the
Yeah,
calculator.
absolutely fine. I'll explain it so that you can do the next one correctly. So here I'll start with -3. That is my starting point, right? What I need to add, I have to go somewhere. I have to find some 1/4 or 3/4 or whatever it is, whatever fraction they have given, I have to add that. But the fraction here is 4 pieces out of the total 5 pieces, right? 4/5 of what? The distance. How to find the distance? Ending point minus starting point. 7 minus -3. Make sense? minus 3 plus 4 by 5 of 10, which is 8 minus 5. So the coordinate point is 2 by 5, comma 5. This point 2 by 5, comma 5 is 4 times, cuts the line segment BA in the ratio 4:1. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now my question for Sham. Welcome, Sham. Thanks. You saw the message late, right, Sham? You're okay attending?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Sham, we are all debating whether the class should start at 7:30 or 8 CST. Are you comfortable doing it at 7:30 CST or should you ask your dad?
Ask my dad.
You have to ask your dad. Johan, are you comfortable doing it at 7:30 CST?
I think so.
Okay, should you ask your mom on that?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like, okay, at the end, I'll ask parents, okay? Okay, now we are partitioning line segments. Sham, to just catch you up with whatever we are doing, we are partitioning line segments. At the end of the class, I'll talk to parents, okay? We are partitioning line segments. What is partitioning line segments? For a long line, I'm trying to cut this line in some ratio. Let's say I'll cut it in the ratio 2:3. If I want to cut it in the ratio 2:3, what I'm saying, I have to cut it into 5 parts. To cut it into 5 total parts, in that, where will I end up with 2 of the parts? And this side, it should be 3 of the parts. So if the line AB, I want to cut the line AB in the ratio 2:3. Or I want to cut the line BA in the ratio 3:2. Or otherwise, I can as well ask, hey, what is that point C that is at 2/3 of the distance from when you travel from A to B? What point is 2/3 of the distance? I can ask questions either as a fraction or in ratios. Am I making sense? Okay, let's see. I'm going to do one more problem and then only give it to you. But give me a minute. So I'm going to go to geometry and then grab a problem for you. Okay, let's see this one. I'm going to give a separate assignment on this. Okay. See, guys, like this, if you bring up problems today, Ashwin brought up this problem. It was in the homework. Anyway, I was about to cover the fractional lines. I did see the problem coming up in your homework. I was thinking of covering it, but if you bring it, I'm more than happy to do it. Let's see. I have shared the screen. Why is it not pasting? What's going on? Let me see. I don't know what is going on. Diya, did you get that, ma?
Yeah.
Oh, good. For some reason, what is going on? I'm not able to see anything, paste anything. That's fine. Let's move on. Point A is -4, -3. I will do this on the board, guys. You don't have to do, but please listen, please watch. Okay. A is -4 and B is 4, 1. B is 4, 1. Now, find the coordinate of P. Find the coordinate of P on line segment AB. See the direction. Line segment AB means it starts at A and ends at B. Find P on line segment AB that partitions AB in the ratio 1:3. That partitions AB in the ratio 1:3. I am going to do this completely, okay? -4, -3. See, x and y value means x value do it separately, y value do it separately. B is 4, 1.
Priyanti?
Yeah.
It's kind of off topic, but in Khan Academy, there's like a topic that I didn't understand at all.
Absolutely. Just wait to the end of the class.
Yeah.
We'll do that. So we have to find a point P. we have to find a point P that partitions AB in the ratio. AB in the ratio means this is 1, then it should be 3. Makes sense? All should be equal. So we have to find this point P. But how to do it? 1:3. Remember that first. So you have to find what coordinate point is 1/3 of the distance from A to B. For that, first let me consider the x coordinate. I'll add the starting coordinate, meaning I have already come till -4, right, from the leftmost end. So I add that, and then I have to find what? 1/4 of the distance. What distance? 1/4 of the distance between AB. We are working only with the x coordinate, right? So what is the difference in x coordinate? 4 minus of -4 is 8. That will be -4 plus 2, which is -2. So -2 is that coordinate. X coordinate is -2. I got it. Now for the y, this is x. For the y, I'm going to try. Y, how am I going to try? Again, this is my y, starting point. Add that to 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 of, again, the distance. -3 plus 2, which is a -1. So basically, it's a -1. So the point is -2, -1. So that is the point that partitions AB in the
Wait,
ratio
for
1.
y, wouldn't it be 4?
Did I make-
Because -3 plus, 3 plus 1 is 4, not 8.
Wait, ma. -3 plus,
1, because the y is 1, not 5.
I made a mistake. Yes, 1 minus -3, 4. Good job, Ritisha. Nice pickup.
Thanks.
-2. I made a mistake, guys. So it'll be -2, -2. Any questions? Sham, did you get it?
Yes.
This is the first thing that we started. Okay, this I know this is not at all algebra, but you guys started with it. Okay, and I really wanted to clarify this so that in geometry I'll not be doing this for a stretch. Okay, this is one whole topic for you in geometry. Can I move on? Oh,
Priya,
okay. Oh, Johan, we covered this in the summer, right? For you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that is why. Okay, sorry, I forgot about it. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Can I go get water, please?
Yeah, go ahead. I want to do more problems on this because see, this is one definite problem that comes in geometry, any test as well. It's quite important. So I really wanted to do this. Okay, how about this? If you're doing it and you're getting 1 or 2 correct, it's great. Anish, did you understand, Ma?
Yeah, I got the problem correct.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, I didn't expect you to do that one though. A is -3, -2. A is -3, -2. Okay, now B is 6, 1. B is, I'm going to put it out into a sophisticated way, okay? Meaning sophisticated geometrical way of writing it, I'm going to put it because that way you understand how they will ask you. -3, -2 and then 6, 1. 6, 1. Now, find P on directed line segment BA. Find P on directed line segment BA. Find P on directed line segment BA that partitions BA in the ratio 1:2. That partitions BA in the ratio 1:2. If you come to geometry, you have to write it as line segments like this. Okay, go ahead. You're going to give it a try. I'll leave it, and if you don't know, it's absolutely okay, but you have to tell me clearly, okay? Quick. It's a good one to solve.
I sent my answer.
I sent my
Dharma.
answer too.
Yes, I said. Only thing is I don't know the answer. Wait, -3, 2. I honestly don't know the answer. What were the points? -3. Wait, let me quickly do. Do I have the answer? I don't know. Oh wow, that's not nice. We had example 3. Really? Uh-huh. Okay. What is that, Anish? You've given me 4 points.
No, I put a comment.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. I know what you did. Okay. But that doesn't seem right. Dia, is that right? Can you check? Yeah, Sham, you got it.
That was for the previous problem.
Oh, okay, ma. I'll wait. Johan, correct. Johan and Sham, you got it. Ritisha, you got it, ma. Vishnu Ram, can you do it on the board, Vishnu Ram?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll correct. We'll fix what are the errors. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So I kind of don't know how to write on the board because I'm on an iPad.
Okay, that's okay. You can tell me. Dia, good job, Dia.
Wait, I think I
Go ahead.
found that.
Yeah, you can tell me. I can write for you. Come on, quick.
Okay, so first I started with the I put like a table like you said X and Y.
Uh-huh.
So for the X coordinate, the starting point is 6.
Ma, did you draw like this?
No.
You will not get it correctly unless you draw. 6, 1. Now what happens?
So the starting point is 6.
Uh-huh.
And then plus 1/3.
Starting point is 6. Correct. Starting point is 6 because the directed line segment is BA. Directed line segment means there's a direction. Okay. Starting point is 6. So what did you do with the 6?
I added it to 1/3.
Okay. To 1/3 of what?
Times 6 minus 3.
Aha. To find the distance, you should do -3 minus 6. Ending point minus the starting point.
Oh.
You got it?
Okay, yeah.
So what happens? 6
So
plus 1/3 of -9 minus 3. So 3, right? X coordinate is 3. Anish, did you get that? Where did you miss, Anish?
Miss Priya, could you also do it like you could just do 6 minus 1/3 of 9 instead of negative? 6 plus 1/3 of -9? Because that's how I did it.
Okay. Tell me once more, ma. Tell me once more. I didn't catch
Instead
it.
of adding 6 plus 1/3 of -9, I did 6 minus 1/3 of 9. Thinking it would be easier that way.
Absolutely fine. You just started with this. That's okay.
Yeah.
See, as long as you do it after understanding, things will work. If you start from here, yes, you have to subtract. Make sense?
my mistake was that following the example you did in the beginning, I put a plus, and I accidentally changed it from a 1 to a 2 instead of a 3. So I did 6 plus 1/2 times 9 instead of
1/2. Okay, here the ratio is 1:2 means totally there should be 3 pieces, correct? Suppose if they say that partitions, that's hard. Suppose if they say find P on directed line segment BA such that they can ask like this, such that AP is 1/3 of AB. This is fractional distance, you use it as it is. But if they give it in ratio, you have to calculate that 1/3. You got it?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I didn't get all the answers correctly. So one more problem. Ashwin, you're too quiet today. Did you understand?
Did you understand?
Yeah, I just need more time.
Okay, good. But did you understand?
But did you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, something is off, Ashwin.
Something
All
is
the while I
off,
did
Ashwin.
not
All
hear
the while I
the
did not hear the
echo. Now I started hearing the
echo.
echo.
Now
Is
I
anybody
started
hearing the
echo.
echo?
Is anybody hearing the echo?
I'm hearing the echo.
Yes.
I'm hearing the echo.
Yes, same.
Yeah, I hear it too.
Yeah, I hear it too.
Then we can't do this class like this,
And we
right?
can't do this class like this, right?
Let me log off and log in
Let
back,
me
okay?
log off
Give
and
a
log
minute,
in
guys. I can't do this class like this. Hold on.